Why is your Instagram not working, even with good internet? Don't worry, just follow what I say step by step and your problem will be fixed. Okay, first, go to your Instagram app. Now, long press on it, hold it for a second. You'll see an option called App Info. Tap on that. Now go to Storage Usage. Here you'll find Clear Cache. Tap on it. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Now, go back. Tap on Permissions. Make sure all the important permissions are allowed. If anything is turned off, just enable it. Perfect. Now close everything. Open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an Update button, tap on it and wait for it to finish. Now simply restart your phone. This step helps refresh your system and fix hidden issues. Once your phone turns back on, open Instagram again and check if it's working properly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching.